Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to play FireKirin Fish Game. In order to play the FireKirin Fish Game, first of all, open your FireKirin application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're signed into your account as well, and once you're inside, from the home page, simply tap on the mode that you want to play and this will start the game. On the next page, choose whether you are a newbie, beginner, medium, or that you belong to VIP room. Choose options from the menu and then tap on one of the games that you'd like to join into. Right after you do that, you will then be able to see different fish species floating on the screen. The goal of the game is to shoot fish swimming across the screen using your virtual cannon. Simply tap on your cannon and this will light up in green. The green cannon means you cannot shoot right now. Tap on it once again and tap anywhere on the screen in order to fire up the fishes. You can adjust the cannon's power by increasing or decreasing the bed size for stronger shots. To increase the power, simply tap on the plus button right next to 100 and this will rise up to 1000. Right after you do that, you can go ahead and adjust the power for stronger shots. As you can see it on the screen, you earn points based on the type and number of fish you successfully shoot. Different fish species has different values, so the more valuable the fish, the higher your rewards. You earn points based on the fish and the number of fish you shoot. The game often features power-ups and special weapons to help you take down more valuable fish. Make sure you keep an eye on your ammunition or energy levels. If you run out of ammunition, you will need to use the in-game currency to load or wait for free reloads. So that is how you can easily play FireKirin Fish Game in just a couple of minutes using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.